So do you think this is a wig or my hair? Because sis, it's a wig. This is a true 13 by 6 wig that I customized, and you can see here even the size of the wig is 6 inches back. I want you guys to keep watching this video so you can see how I achieved these braids. Here's a little timeline just in case you want to skip ahead. So here's the packaging and how the wig came. This is their curly texture wig. I love the texture and the true frontal 6 inches straight back, girl. You cannot beat that. I did not have to pluck this wig. I did not have to bleach any knots. Like, it came ready to go. So it is completely beginner friendly. You have so much parting space to do any and every kind of style under the sun. I decided to go with these braids since I was able to pull the hair back and get a true meltdown going with these braids. So I'm just straightening this wig with my hot comb just to make it easier when I do go to do my braids. Here I'm putting it on my head so I can get a true custom fit, because this wig is a little larger, so you do have extra lace, which I love. So this section here is what I will cut off because I do not need that. And then I went ahead and pulled out a little edges for like a little baby hair on the side as well. And by doing this, it's easier to prep so you'll know what to braid and what not to braid. And I'm using this wax stick to help me grip the hair since it is like so silky. And like, I didn't have to pluck this wig at all. It's so beginner friendly. So you see here, I'm just braiding the hair, taking really small sections. My goal was to do like some stitch braids, but that was a little harder than what I thought. So I'm still practicing on actually doing my stitch braids, but other than that, they still look good. They just look like some regular braids. If you have any helpful tips on how to do stitch braids, definitely leave me a comment down below so I can do them, because I've watched so many videos and I don't know why I don't have it yet. So yeah. And another thing is, when you are starting off your braid, you want to make sure that you are not braiding it really tight, because you do not want your lace to have like that ripple effect. And when you get towards the back, you can braid it tighter just to make sure the braids stay, because later on you're going to see me actually take out the ends of the braid. So when you're starting off like right here, I'm using really small sections, but I'm also braiding the wig really soft just to make sure I'm not pulling the lace too tight. So then I also, you don't see here, but I also added some holding spray to my braids to make sure that they didn't come out, because I knew I was going to take like the ends loose. And you guys see this lace, like the lace looks amazing. And the wig also was pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Like, that is just so amazing. I love when companies send me wigs and I do not have to do any work but what I want to do to the wig. So definitely click the link down below so you can go get yours and you can come up with as many styles as you want to, because I was in love with these braids, honey. And then look at the bottom of this wig. Like, I was just amazed with the way these braids came out. This is my first time braiding a wig and it looked really good. So we're going to go ahead and install this. I'm using some makeup to like tint my lace, and you see the difference there. You can use tea, you can use lace tint, you can use makeup. It doesn't matter. And your girl was lit because, honey, the style was coming together. What I visioned in my head, it was it. So that's the extra hair I mentioned at the beginning. So we're going to go ahead and cut that off after we glue it down. So I'm using my adhesive that some wig company sent me, girl. And I just put my wig down while it's still white, because it's going to dry clear. At least this glue does. So I'm just pulling that down, and then I tie my, like, those are like knee highs I put together, or some sock footies. I don't know, it works better than the wig band. And just gluing it down. You see here, I wanted to make sure it wasn't like giving me that ripple effect. That's all I wanted to make sure. So I'm cutting my lace using the razor, which is, I love using a razor to cut my lace. I used to use scissors and get you a razor, and now I'm doing the same thing to cut off that extra lace that I was talking about that we don't need. But if you got a big watermelon head, girl, this wig is perfect for you because they send you so much extra lace. Like this wig does it's going to fit any and everybody, whether you have a small head or a big head. You can customize this wig. So look at that. Like it was melted, but I wanted a little extra melt, so I went in with my ebon lace spray, which is no gains, and I sprayed that on my edges and my braids. Now you see here I'm going in with like my concealer to help define my pores, because you can see my pores, but when I added this, baby, it sealed the deal. Look at that. Look like it's growing out my scalp. At least for me it did, because we all know like it looked like lace, but let's be for real. It also looked like my hair too. To me, to you, to some of us. So I'm going back in and creating my baby hair because I just love baby hair, and y'all know. But believe me, this wig, you did not need baby hair because the lace was so thin and the knots were so small as well. Like it was perfect. So now I'm just showing you guys how the hair look before I do anything else to it. And you can see the curls popping through. That is, the natural curl pattern of this hair. Here's the back of it, and the curls coming through at the bottom. But that wasn't enough, so you're going to see me curl them at the end. But right quick, I'm going to just take out the ends of the braids so it can kind of look a little bit more seamless with my style. And now you can see here that it looks a little bit more fluffy and poofy, so we're going to fix that, because you can definitely stop here with the kind of like water wave texture of the hair, but I decided to take a little further. And yeah, your girl getting good at doing her makeup, so purple it is. Now I'm just gonna go in with my wand curler to kind of fix the frizzy parts at the top, because I was debating if I wanted to wet it to get that wet look, but no, I wanted it like to keep that fluffy light look. So I'm just taking my wand curler, since it kind of have like a tapered end, just to get that curl pattern going. And that was like the best idea ever. This whole style, this whole wig was like the bomb from start to finish, baby. You could not tell me anything with this wig. Like I was so in love with it. Y'all definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this wig, if you will purchase it, if you decide to do this style or whatnot, because it was the bomb. So let me know down below what you think. Okay, y'all, so I just got in and I'm low-key rushing to change my hair, and I think I just want to like pull my hair up in like some type of style or whatever. So, and honey, I thought I was in love with my hair at first, but when I decided to pull that little piece back right here and do that little bun, oh no, I was really in love with my style after that, because this fire. Okay. This is giving summertime. This wig is so bomb. Not only do you have so much parting space, look at the curls. I did that. Yeah. Baby. Okay, I'm gone because I'm still like, That's how I feel. This hair is giving. I burnt my lip trying to wax it. Trying to make the situation better, and I made the situation worse. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.